All right, guys, I got about an hour. So I think I'm doing the stairs. Let's go. All right, guys, leaving the parking lot. I'm headed towards the Brady Bluff Trail. I don't know. We'll see how fast I can do this. Holy cow, difficult at times, steep and irregular grade. I'm a glutton for punishment. Okay, I really need to do some trail running. Okay, maybe not. Okay, no, trail running's not good. Okay, I mean, this is how I'm walking. Does that look like a confident walk? Oh, I'm a glutton. Oh, not good. Not good. Guys, I'm 39, gonna turn 40, and I am not immune to life. Life takes a toll on everybody, and I'm not trying to ignore that as I do this, but it is a challenge, and I know as I get older, I'm gonna have aches and pains, and my body's gonna fall apart. But I think, you know, if I can face this challenge with grace and dignity, maybe that's a good sign for me as I age further. Oh my goodness, guys. The view, I'm not to the top yet, but this view alone, I could almost call it quits just with this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Just all the water, the bluffs, the rolling hills. Oh, it's beautiful. And there's more stairs. Oh my goodness, more stairs. Okay. I'm realizing that all these stairs are impacting me. I don't even know if I can sit down. That's how much back pain I have. Now it's the long journey back to the car, and I'm not gonna film that. I think it's gonna be a lot of screaming and ouching. Yep. Sometimes it's mind over matter, and I think I learned a valuable lesson.